Let's look at the solution for haveThree. Given an array of ints, return true if the value 3 appears in the array exactly 3 times and no 3's are next to each other. So we'll start off by creating a variable called count, and this will initially be set to 0. So this way we can keep track of how many 3's are in the array. Then we're going to check if the first element in the array is a 3 and that the array is more than one element. If this is true, then we increase our counter by 1 because we know that the first element is a 3. And then we'll iterate through the array, but we'll start at the second element. The reason we start at the second element now is because we already know whether or not the first element is a 3. So then at every index, we're going to check if the number at the previous index, so the number before the current element, was a 3, and we're going to check if the current number is a 3. So using a conditional statement, we'll check first if the previous number was a 3, and then if the current number is a 3. If that's the case, we return false, because we know that there are two 3's that appear next to each other. And then we also want to check if the current number is a 3. Because then we have to increase our count. So we're checking if there are two 3's that appear next to each other, and then we're checking if the element is a 3, in which case we increase the counter. Then finally, we want to check whether or not there are exactly 3 3's in the array, which you can do using one line by just doing return count is equal to 3. So it just returns whether or not this statement is true. So if count is equal to 3, we return true, and if it is not, then we return false. And there we go. I hope this solution was useful to you, and have a nice day.